Oh, hello there. Yeah, I'm definitely not in my backyard today, guys. This is... Can you tell where I'm at? Totally not in the north, that's for sure. Blue skies, totally different trees, and that's definitely not bluegrass. Thanks for joining me today, guys. I just wanted to do a quick fun video. I am on location, definitely not in my normal lawn. Look at these beautiful flowers on this tree. Hibiscus, it looks like. There. Gosh, I wish I could grow these year-round by me. So I'm just doing a fun video for you today. I am in Southwest Florida for the week, and I just wanted to show some different types of lawns and different types of grasses. Well, the place I'm staying at here at this Airbnb definitely does not have the best grass in the world. I think they're trying to grow St. Augustine here, which is probably the most common grass type in South Florida, all across the state, in fact. So this is not crabgrass, haha, very funny, Kenny Cooper. Make sure you check out his videos, guys. This is St. Augustine, not crabgrass. And it's mixed in with a lot of weeds here. Guys, I'm totally out of my element here, so if anybody knows what type of weeds they are, leave a comment below, because I would really like to see if you guys know what all of this stuff is, because it's totally different for me. But I haven't mowed a southern lawn in probably 20 years, so I forgot everything I learned as a kid mowing this stuff. So I just wanted to have some fun here, and maybe we'll drive around town later and take a look at some other lawns. You can see this hasn't really been mowed or cared for back here because it's starting to get some seed heads on it. So that is a St. Augustine seed head right there. That's what happens when you let it grow to 8 inches or so. Now this grass should be mowed as high as possible, obviously, because it has that thicker blade type, and you can see these runners. Let me find a good runner here, how this stuff spreads. It spreads by stolons, unlike rhizomes, where Kentucky bluegrass is rhizomous. It will send shoots out underground. This grass type will actually grow right across the sidewalk, no problem. Just look at this here. It's not even like deep rooted. It's in there pretty good, but you can see it's not really spreading too good. If you want to see a fantastic St. Augustine lawn, check out Ian on YouTube. He's got one heck of a good lawn, and that guy does some tight edges as well, let me tell you. I won't talk too much more. I just wanted to show you this lawn. I'll do some walking around. I love these trees. Don't you think this would be such a fun climbing tree here? Look at these roots. I'm not really sure how this thing grows, but it's so cool. If you can tell, I'm kind of excited. I love the landscaping around here. It's so much fun and so different. Anyway, enough of me talking. I'll just roll in some footage here and put some music to it just for fun. Guys, be sure to subscribe. Leave a comment below. Check out this funky tree. Wait for it. Notice if it's doing anything weird. I'll back up a little bit. It's definitely not straight. Rubber tree. I grew one of those in a pot in my living room.